Hi everybody, it's Bouncing Fig. Welcome to another video session with me. Today I really want to treat because I love Sri Lankan food. There are a few very good ones, maybe I don't know of them, but today we're gonna check out one that's quite new and people are heading there, and I would love to try them. They're called the Lankan and it's in Bangsar. So let's head over to the Lankan and try out the beautiful Sri Lankan cuisine. And they specialize in crab, and I can't wait to get my hands into the crab. Let's go.
I'm Nash, basically. Nash. Yeah, so I'm a restaurant manager. Yeah, the Lankan is unique because of the idea that we couldn't want to let that Malaysian, the Asian, which is in Malaysia, to feel the authentic Sri Lankan food, and also the environment that we have there in nature. Malaysians, most of them are thinking like Sri Lankan and Indian are almost the same, and they don't know that Sri Lankan are different authentic food that they're holding, which is that's not with the Malaysian Indian or stuff from the India. Cinnamon, pandan leaf, and they are rich with the herbs, same like Indian leaf. We are always use these all herbs. We just put on top as a garnish or just give the aroma, but they are not. They will put in, blend it, the masala to get taste of this. That's why it's a different things.
This is the bone marrow varuval. It's lamb shank, and they also cut pieces that you can eat individually if the bone scares the heck out of you. Right. The cumin, the chilies. It's just roasted to perfection.
Okay, the crabs that we are selling basically is from Indonesia. It's a mud crab, okay, and it's live crab. We are serving only a live crab, not frozen crab. So that's what the tastes are different. So basically we have the Jaffna. The Jaffna is from a Tamil people recipes from Sri Lanka. So that's based on the lemongrass and more chili flake. Yeah? And this pula is the gumbo. So the gumbo is this recipe is from the gumbo Singlish people recipes. So basically this is hard on the coconut milk and the masala mixed with the pandan leaf. So it's more give touch that like Asian people can love this, especially Malaysian.
So this is the Jaffna crab. So that's a classic because it's got the brown spicy Sri Lankan sauce with loads of secret roasted spices. I've got the claw. Let's try this one. Oh. Oh yo, that is a good crab claw. The sauce is creamy, well balanced, not at all raw, which sometimes you can get with roasting spices if you don't do it well. So these guys know how to really roast the spices from this crab. Wow. So I was told they also take rice, and in Bahasa we say gaul. You kind of mix it with the sauce, the crab sauce, and they offer this really cute little ceramic bowl, and it's supposed to be super flavorful. So let's try that. So this must be with the Jaffna crab, so that you don't waste the bits. Look at that. Look at that. So we ordered the butter crab. It is really the meaty kind. This is not the usual butter crab that you get in Chinese stalls, because you can see huge chunks of peppercorns, which is again a spice that is used a lot in Sri Lanka. And they say that they use French butter here, so yeah. Very mild. If you can't stand spiciness, this is the crab to try. The butter crab. Lovely. this is the pole bread, and I'm going to put some onion chutney on it. Oh. Oh man. Spicy, flavorful. Oh, it's really spicy. Biryani.
Oh, you didn't hear the 3, 2, 1. Yes, that one I heard. That one makes it look really
Delicious. The sultanas and the grapes inside, the raisins, and the turmeric. The spices are really pow over here. And the chicken is really well marinated. You have got to try the biryani. I mean, the spice is intense. Every single spice. The cinnamon, which is very well known in Sri Lanka, is very prominent. It is. Here is the signature appam. Key things to look out for an appam: nice and light, a little bit jiggly like that because you have the coconut there, and the crispy bits on the side. So if your appam doesn't have that, send it back. And make sure you order this in advance because it can also disappear off the menu because it is so delicious. Oh, bam! Very well fermented. Absolutely creamy. So this is the savory one. You can also order the sweet one.
So I hope everyone out there, please try our food. Something unique, the feeling inside this restaurant to come from their environment, the ambience, and also our service. So please try our different type of food, authentic food from Sri Lanka with a good service.